1 minute movie from Patagonia. The other half of the reality. Is that your downwards facing dog or?
Yes.
Well, that's the stove. And that's the workplace. Well, the stove seems to be working again. But it was already the second time that I fixed it, so... Well, let's go to another project. That's the toilet seat. It continuously kept dropping off. What we did now was we just lock wired it. Lock wire is stuff that we use outside as well for the shackles, to make sure that they don't come loose. Well, the moment you think a boat yoga is done, it all starts again.
Say that again, Werner.
Hell.
What are you doing? Yummy.